Newly offered for sale from O'Donnell Lutz, 2016 Ram Pro City Master cargo van, 45,000 miles, one owner, Carfax accident free, still under factory powertrain warranty. And the options you're going to find on this one are going to be the power door locks, keyless entry. It's going to have Bluetooth, USB and auxiliary hookup. It's going to have rear parking sensors also, 4 almost brand new tires. Going to have the backup camera, but I mentioned that before. Still under factory powertrain warranty. 4-cylinder engine, so very good gas mileage for getting around town. See the cargo space, double sliding doors. Got the rear barn, 60-40 split barn doors. Very clean vehicle. Once again, phenomenal service records on the Carfax, no accidents. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us, email. We're good at answering both. There we go. Doesn't want to stay open for me. As you can see, no major dings, dents, scratches. Everything's in very good condition. Please feel free to give us a call at 956-321-956-2250 if you have any more questions. Thank you.